We are going to create clone using RMAN backup piece. So the steps are same. We are going to create a directory structure for clone database. We'll open a terminal. I'll log into the Oracle user. Now we'll just copy paste these steps so that we can make sure these steps are correct. Okay, now here we have only production database. We'll go for clone database folder, done. This optional dump file folder for clone database, done. For production database production, clone will be clone. We'll log into production database as this is database. It is prod, yeah, it is set up. This is up and running. Now we'll come back. Here we'll create a folder for taking full backup. We must take backup of all the important files of the database, like data files, redo log, archive logs, all files. So make sure it is archive log enabled. Yeah, it is enabled. Okay, now we made some log switches so that, okay, exit. Now we created the required folder for backup, which is we need to create a required folder for backup. We are going to do this in U01 mount find. It BKP folder came. Archelog mode is already there. We have done that. We'll go to SQL Plus, which is there already. This not required because we already did with FRA. Now shut immediate. So not required this one by mistake. I'm doing this. Okay. This is required to re-enable the archelog mode, but it's already enabled, working fine. Now we'll log into RMAN and take the full backup of the database. We are connecting to RMAN in no catalog mode. It's connected. Now we do this command. Here in this command, what we are doing is we'll log into RMAN and we'll allocate channel C1 . This is a problem. We must use RL wrap. We'll take one by one copy. It's much easier. Done. Now backup database, backup archelog all, backup current control file, backup SP file, backup close. So this will take the full backup of all data files, archelog files, and everything to the our backup folder. The file, this will be the complete backup file. It can be one, it can be many, doesn't matter. All files should be gone to the single folder. Backup is done. Now these are all the files, this necessary files for creating the clone. We'll exit here and we'll go to Oracle SQL Plus and create p file from sp file so that we can use it for our clone database. DBS. Now we have this clone file. What we do here, we'll copy this to clone. So now init clone file is ready. For we can edit it to as per our. So the important change is all prod should become clone. All prod has become clone. DB name should be clone. Yeah, it is. DB name is clone. Log archive dest one should be this. Right now log archive dest one is not here. Yeah. Hello. Now these two are clone related parameters. We are creating a separate parameter files, password files for both. This is for clone. Two parameter file has been created basically. Yeah, or a pw clone or a pw prod. Now this is done. We are creating this clone using backup pieces. Now we'll export the clone. We can start another terminal for safe clarity. Oracle user. Here we'll export. We'll go to Norman stage using p file we just created. Here connect the auxiliary instance through RMAN and start the duplication. The duplication is done by specifying the location of the backup pieces. The command to be used is duplicate database to auxiliary DB name, backup location so and so. This is done. It is in mount stage. Select name from database. So database is not mounted. We can't check it. So RMAN. We are connecting to auxiliary database. Duplicate database to clone backup location is equal to u01bkp check. So alhamdulillah, it took that file from there and it accepted the backup as complete backup, and now it started creating the clone DB using those backup sets. This is done. You just need to cross check everything is okay. It is done. We are in clone, so we'll connect, select name from $v database, select status from $v instance. Once again we'll start, so that make sure if it shuts down properly and starts up properly, means all the necessary files, sp file, temporary files, everything are there. So select name from $v control file, select name from $v data file, select name from $v temp file, select member from $v log file, show parameter sp file. So it is started with p file. So to create, so that we can make sure this last checking show parameter should be with sp file. Yeah, it is started with the show file. So our job is done.